HRMS models again. Today I am going to explain about retail employees how to upload their data through PassClerk. Let's get started. I am using Google Chrome here. The website is HRMS, this one, and username password type it. This is PassClerk ID. And here Devendra is one PassClerk. Now OTP will come now, that we have to enter here 8264 something. Okay, now click on pass model and here retail data entry. Now type here PPO number whatever something and go, then data will come. Go means data will come. Here all basic information will come on these columns, fields, and what are the here gender, male, and this is a mandatory field. You have to upload identity card of any identity card like RLHS or UMI and photo of the employee. This data will come automatically. If it is wrong, you have to check it. Basic pay levels, here also pay levels, same pay according to PPO. You have to cross check with PPO and designation, whatever non-gazetted, you have to type only non-gazetted you are feeding. So 20 years yes or no. If it is 20 years service, you have to press yes. Below 20 years, no. Then division, it is integral division, it will come integral division, and present address, pin code, postal address, phone number. You can change phone number through here also, and again this is family members details, name of the family, name, relation, wife or something, date of birth and gender, Aadhaar number. This document, any document, dependency documents means we can upload identity card or Aadhaar card, anything, Aadhaar or identity card. Validity you don't just leave it. And handicapped means something handicapped, something you have to press it. And photo you have to upload photo of the dependent, and plus means you can one more column will add. Then widow daughter, divorced daughter or widow mother, something it will come, son, date of birth, gender, and mandatory field is here unmarried son. For unmarried daughter you have to upload an unemployment certificate, unmarried certificate, and income certificate, that you have to upload here. For widow mother you have to upload income certificate for her, and also same kind of things like widow daughter means divorce certificate, unmarried certificate, unemployment cert, that you have to upload here only. And after that just come down, select this previous pass you have to scan and kept somewhere in PDF manner. Here also pass declaration form 3, that you have to scan and kept somewhere, that should be in PDF manner, that you have to choose and upload. Like something I will upload here. Upload means it will upload like this. Every time choose after you have to upload. This 100% should come definitely. So that this was already uploaded here. Then the post whatever is going to take, complementary pass or widow pass. Here full set and offset, and post settlement, the number of sets, how much is eligible for that, you have to feed manually here. Okay, after that this table will come, the how many sets 2020, and full sets how many you took, offset. This you have to update with your past lecture. see 2020 account how many it took, that you have to feed here. Offsets how many and full sets are 2021. Here it will come 2021 22. Once you enter the PPO number, this data will come here. This 2020 account, 2021 account will come. Full set of offset how many you took 2021 or 2020, that you have to feed manually with reference with through Lexer. Whatever you are maintaining Lexer, that you have to cross check and feed here. Then OK and submit. Once it submit, it will goes to pass verifying authority. That's all for this. I'll come with PIA PIA how to accept PIA and all. I'll come with that next video. Bye.